Hello and welcome to Davis Chevrolet. This is a pre-owned 2016 Dodge Ram 1500 SLT Crew Cab 4x4 in black. Some of the features included in your new pre-owned Dodge Ram 1500 are automatic windows, Bluetooth ready, cruise control, 4x4, Sirius XM, display compass, AC, tow and haul mode, cloth interior, front and rear bench seats, and enough space to comfortably seat 6 with room for storage. Some of the exterior features included on your new pre-owned Dodge Ram are automatic headlights, heated power adjustable side mirrors, cargo lighting, power sliding rear window, bed liner, and trailer hitch with hookup provisions. So don't miss out on your new pre-owned Dodge Ram 1500. Hurry into Davis Chevrolet and book a test drive with one of our knowledgeable product specialists today.